Hey guys, all right, I'm sure you're here for the title. You want to know how to make your AC colder. Well, it's actually really simple, and if you haven't seen this, then I'm glad to teach you. You have a heater core and heater core hoses. These run into a box that is also shared with the condenser or evaporator. The condenser's down here. Evaporator in that box. Now, those are shared, so no matter how sealed it is, you're gonna have some of that heat soak come over to your AC. So what you wanna do is you wanna cut the inlet hose and put in a valve. Turn that off in the summer, you get ice cold AC up there. It's really easy, really easy to do on these older vehicles. On the newer ones, it doesn't really matter because they got really good at sealing the box that contains the heater core and all that, but on the older ones, not so much. The blend door doesn't really seal, and yeah, I got something, I'm gonna slice that, put a thing in. All it needs is you gotta go get a valve, 2 hose clamps, and then cut the hose. And if you don't want to cut the hose like I'm about to do, it'll be annoying, but undo it up under there and then connect it and do another hose. But I don't have another hose, I'm gonna just cut it because whatever. So yeah, I'll be right back, and it's really simple, that's all it is. All right, with a flat tip screwdriver and a PVC cutter, which I would recommend probably not using that, but it's what I just had in my immediate vicinity, so I grabbed it because that's how I work. And a little bit of sweat, it's good to go. It's in there. You want to make sure you crank it up and make sure it's not leaking. But for the summertime, as long as you don't have an overheating issue and rely on your heater core as an extra radiator or something, because I've been in those situations too, but all you got to do is close it. It's closed right now. Winter comes around, pop her back open, boom, you get coolant again flowing in there. You got heat. It's gonna be so cold, and I'm gonna like it. My girlfriend's gonna like it. My son's gonna like it. Man, I just had to put this one last part in here. I wish I had a temperature gauge or something, because it is so much better. Now, one thing you need to remember is when you first crank up your vehicle, AC is gonna be really cold, and then it's gonna get warm because it takes a minute for the heater core and everything to warm up. This keeps it cold as you're going down the road and the engine is warm. So it feels so nice because the truck was already warm. I burnt my hands all up like an idiot while I was changing that because I was so excited about it. But man, does it feel good. Holy cow. Oh man. That'll keep you right chilly. Oh, that's nice.